Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio with Notion. So first open Notion and head over to Marketplace on the left side bar. Click on it, click on templates. On the search bar here type in portfolio and hit enter. You'll find the portfolio templates that are available. There are free and paid versions. Let's for example see this portfolio template. Click on add plus and click on add to space. So this template is being added to the space. Let's open that. Here it is. So this is the portfolio template, and you can customize everything here. You can add a new page to the template. You can change the name, for example, and add the description. You can change the photo and add any other elements that you like to your portfolio page in Notion. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a